We next have Arina Ranjit from Idaho State University.
How many of you have drugs in your home? Not for views, but for medical use. Much like me and everyone else in this room, we all have purchased drugs in some way or the other. But did you know that it took 12 years and $4.6 billion for only one drug to have made it to your home, despite other 5,000 similar drugs were tested in the laboratory settings? Many drugs, like a Novokinin, that are effective for rheumatoid arthritis, they are not in a drug market just because they suffer from short half-life, which means they are easily degraded by the enzymes of the body, rendering it unstable, giving it no time to stay in the body and show their effects. So the point in a drug research is just not about the discovery, but also about maintaining its stability. That's where my research focuses on, where I conjugate drugs like a Novokinin to the long linker, which protect it from the enzyme, and further connect it to the moiety that would target the tissue, collectively called Novokinin conjugate. When administered, moiety get attached to the bone, act as a reservoir, and linker protect it from degradation. But over the time, drugs get released. That's how it maintains its stability. To prove my hypothesis, I tested in the rats, where I induced them with the rheumatoid arthritis. Poor rats, though, but for science. So I divided rats into the different group, where they received no treatment, another group received Novokinin, and the final group received Novokinin conjugate. After a few days of the treatment, I saw there was substantial reduction in the arthritis level in a rat treated with the Novokinin conjugate groups. This means just by extending the half-life, I could change how drug could work in the body and improve its efficiency. Rheumatoid arthritis is just the beginning, as it could be a stepping stone for all those potential drugs which can be cure for a huge range of disease we have in our mankind, as it could pave a way for those drugs to come in a market and make it to your home. Moreover, it would also prompt to use our drug research more innovatively, rationally, economically, and most important, timely. Thank you.
Great job, Arina. So I'd like to ask where you're from.
I'm from Nepal.
Okay, what brought you to Idaho State?
Sorry, what?
What brought you to Idaho State University?
So I'm interested in the drug research, and that brought me here in ISU.
Okay, and what spurred that interest in the research? What got you interested in drug research?
So we all know that whatever progress we have made in uplifting quality of life is largely attributed to the advancement in a drug. And we see how small drugs are and how big their magic is. So I want to be part of that magic and be that someone magician.
Great. Thank you. Good job. Thank you.
You.
Good luck.